Hi guys, tonight's video is not about drones. It's actually a shout out to Artco Drone Solutions. Art puts on a live stream every Saturday night at 7 p.m. on YouTube, and you might want to drop by and check it out. We usually drop by to watch Art and his co-host Chuck from Cove Action and his other co-host James from the Philippines, My PI Dream. Anyways, they put on a great show, and Art usually does a little contest, and you pick a number, and if your number comes up, you either win some toffee or you win some turtles. And this is what we got when we were on the show. We won, and we won some turtles, and Art shipped them to us. We're in Canada and Art is in the USA, so shipping can be pretty costly. Take a look at this. Wow, that's worth way more than the turtles that are inside. Wow. Thanks, Art. Anyways, let's open it up. Let's get into these turtles. Oh wow, mini turtles. I never seen these before. Thanks a lot, Art. This is great. It's pretty amazing, you know, that Art gives out these little prizes, and look at the effort he goes through to shipping these to the winners. It's unbelievable. Let's open these up. Okay, here we go. There they are, guys. And now we're going to start eating. Here's our first one. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Please drop by and check out Art's live stream on Saturday night at 7 p.m. And we'll catch you in the next one. We're going to eat every one of these. And we're not sharing. Catch you later.